Marilyn here with Shady NY. I want to say hello and welcome. Welcome back. Thank you for joining us tonight. We're doing something a little different tonight. Barry got back from his picking trip to North Carolina, picking trip, relaxation trip, his rehabbing the farmhouse trip, but anyway, he got some footage of the waterfall that is across the street, and it is a beautiful and so relaxing, and we wanted to share that with y'all tonight. It's a really short clip, and he put some words in it, and it's really nice. It's relaxing, and this isn't our norm, but we wanted to do that and just share it with you guys. Tomorrow we will be back with the fun box unveiling and also the drawing for the 100 subscriber giveaway. Once again, thank you so much to all the subscribers. We appreciate you so much. We're enjoying this adventure, and we are so glad to have you along with us. If you haven't subscribed, please be sure to do that. Also, give us the thumbs up and ring that all bell, and be sure to comment below. Let us know what you think of our little waterfall that's in across the street from our farmhouse that we're rehabbing. So y'all have a good one and enjoy the little video. Enjoy the sounds of the creek. Wait, there's more. So thank you for watching. Thank you so much for subscribing. We really appreciate it. Be sure to go over to the 100 subscriber giveaway. If you haven't already commented, be sure to comment. The drawing is going to be at 12:01 tomorrow night, and it's going to be in front of the fun box unveiling, and then we're also going to throw in the mystery items that you won't see. However, they will be really good. So be sure to go comment and subscribe for that. Be sure to give us a thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe and ring the all bell, and we will see you tomorrow.